Scientific studies can be really frustrating. One week we're told that wine is good for our hearts, and the next week it seems like wine could be killing us. Our Verify team has been breaking down the steps we take to analyze studies, and our Jason Puckett is here to show you how you can do the same.
Scientific studies have eye-catching headlines. One might suggest you eat more salt, another suggests 95% of baby food contains toxic metals. Are these studies reliable? Well, here are 5 quick and easy steps to find out. Let's verify. First, ask yourself who did the study. Do they have expertise on the topic? Are the researchers and publishers legitimate? Check this study out. It said eating chocolate helps you lose weight. We did a simple Google search. Turns out the author changed his name and the research group is made up. They did that on purpose to test a theory about illegitimate studies, but all it took to find that out was Googling it. 2. Look for conflicts of interest. While you're looking up those researchers and publishers, look who they're associated with. Do they have any biases or agendas? For example, a study about cigarettes funded by a tobacco company? That's cause for skepticism. The study may not be objective. Next step, look for a clearly defined hypothesis. That's the question or claim that researchers want to answer. Now, traditionally in science, you start with the question, test, then compare results to identify a conclusion. But a lot of research today skips ahead to the test. Doing broad tests looking for different things is like throwing spaghetti at the wall to see which noodles stick. When you don't have a defined hypothesis, it's easier for weird variables to affect the outcome. 4th, look for peer review. It's sort of the gold standard for scientific research. It means that study has been reviewed, possibly even retested by experts in the field. And finally, a key term here. Correlation does not mean causation. Fancy term, put simply, just because things appear to be linked doesn't mean they are. Here's a chart showing 2 variables increasing at almost the same rate over 10 years. Turns out it's golf revenue going up when cheese consumption goes up. So does that mean when golf courses make money, people eat more cheese? Or flipped, that the more cheese people eat, the more golf they play? No, those are obviously not related, but they appear statistically similar. Some studies you might see on social media are like this. The study draws a conclusion based on a statistical similarity, then they write a catchy headline that gets people's attention. Before you know it, the whole thing goes viral. Except there could be an entirely different reason for the similarity that was never explored or explained. Bottom line, when you see these headlines, try to think more like a scientist. Analyze the study and its research, including the people who are doing it. And if it all checks out, look at the study's conclusion. In that baby food study we mentioned, the authors didn't call for all parents to stop using baby food, they just called for more research. If those 5 steps aren't enough, check our website for this list as well as a deeper look into scientific research and how bad studies can make it mainstream. With your Verify, I'm Jason Puckett.